Hi, good morning everybody. My name is Richard I'm the Executive Director for Korean American Civic Empowerment. We're here for this Hoa Parade here in Queens. We're very excited. We're about to line up and we're going to start going down soon down Northern Boulevard all the way to Reception House. Thank you everyone that has signed up to participate today. We're going to have a great time. It's kind of chilly, but thankfully the snow and all that stuff got pushed to later in the afternoon. So we're going to have a nice event. Bit chilly, but once we're out there, we're going to be all warmed up. So Happy New Year. Looking forward to a lot of great stuff that our community is going to be working on, and we'll see you in the community. Hi, I'm here with the president of Korean American Association of Queens of New York. Would you like to say a few words and let us know what we're doing here today?
오늘 우리 고유 설날을 맞아서 한인들 자체의 퍼레이드를 작년에 이어서 시작하게 되었습니다. 이번에는 특별히 KC에서 YWCA 가정상담이 참여해 주셔서 행사가 더 풍성하게 이루어질 것 같습니다. 퀸즈 지역에서 우리 한인들의 위상을 높이고 또 우리의 고유 명절을 기리면서 아이들에게 정체성을 길러줄 수 있는 그런 행사가 되기를 바랍니다. 감사합니다.
I'm excited to join Korean American Association of Queens to celebrate Lunar New Year and also just to show my appreciation for all the great work that KAAQ does for our local community.
해피 루나 뉴 이어 새해 복 많이 받으세요. 굉장히 많은 루나 뉴 이어 이벤트가 있었습니다. 한인사회에서 퀸즈한인회가 앞장서서 이렇게 행사를 하기 때문에 한인 단체로서 저희 서포터로 나왔습니다. 한인 여러분 나와주세요. 함께합시다. 새해 복 많이 받으세요. 감사합니다.
새해가 바뀌었는데 얼씨년스럽습니다. 모든 것이 다 혼란스러운 것 같은데 시간 좀 지나면 따뜻한 봄날과 함께 좋은 시절이 올 거라고 생각합니다. 모두 다 힘내고 을사년 화이팅!
We're just here with the Korean American Association of Queens. We're celebrating Lunar New Year here in Flushing. Metropolitan Park has been very active in the community, thinking about how to redesign all the parking lots around Citi Field, and so we're very happy to support events like this here in Flushing.
Yeah, today's Korean Lunar New Year. Actually, not Korean or Chinese, Asian Lunar New Year's, but it's very good. You speak. The thing is, another country, Chinese, another New Year there too. So we have to make a separate. Now, from now on, we make our own Lunar New Year parade. This is good. Today is the history day for our Korean community. Also for all Asians. Whoever comes, come, join us.
We're joined by Councilwoman Sandra Ung. Would you like to say a few words and let us know what we're doing here today?
Hi everybody, I'm Sandra. It represents the district right here. We are here at the Korean Parade right here in Northeast Queens. I want to thank KAAQ, KCS, KMSC, and YWCA for being sponsors of this special event. It was truly a great day. It was cold, but you know what? We're out here and our heart is out here.
새해 복 많이 받으세요. Hi everyone, my name is Eve Cho Gilyargan and I'm a candidate for civil court judge. If elected, I'll be the first Korean American elected to the bench from Queens. I wish you all a very wonderful new year.
Happy Lunar New Year to everyone, especially today we're doing only the Korean community, so it's wonderful to see that we are participating here with all the volunteers and our members. It's wonderful. 새해 복 많이 받으세요.
새해 복 많이 받으세요.